Say, O people of the book, come to terms common between us and you. That we worship none but God, and that we associate nothing with him, and that none of us takes others as lords besides God. And if they turn away, say, bear witness that we have submitted.
Young scholars, as you are late today,
Yes, sir.
it's now that 10:30. Your class timing is 10, no? 10 to 11.
Yes.
So we will be having only the second half of the class today.
Yes, sir. Okay.
No audio, no video.
Okay, sir.
If you are regular, so you will be having that. Clear? Please. Yesterday we talked about, or we discussed format number 4 of module 2. See, you are sitting over, you are standing over here in front of me right now, or we all are standing at the dais at this time. So if I ask a very simple question that what is being done right now, what would you say? What is being done, please? Okay, I'll change the question. What are you doing now? What are you doing now?
I am standing at the dais.
You are standing at the dais. And during this position, now what are you doing?
I am learning the English.
You are learning English.
Yes.
You are learning
English.
what? English. You are learning.
English.
You are learning what?
English course.
So no, that's correct. English.
Yes.
You are learning
English.
English.
Yes, sir.
You are speaking
English.
You are listening
English.
to English. Points clear?
Yes, sir.
You are reading
English.
Now, if I change the question, that what is being done, please.
English is being learned.
Learned, very good. You are learning English.
Yes, sir.
What does it mean?
English
It
is-
means that English is being learned. You are learning English,
Yes, sir.
which means that English is being learned. You are reading English, which means that
English is being read.
is being read. Clear?
Yes, sir.
You are writing English, which means that
English is being
is being written. No, clear?
Yes, sir.
English test
Is being prepared. I'm holding a pen.
Yes, sir.
I'm holding
A
a
pen.
pen.
A pen.
A pen is being holded.
Is being
Held.
very good. This was a lesson which we
Formula four.
Formula 4. No, what is being done? A pen is being held.
Held.
No, our class is being recorded. Our class is being recorded. Clear? English is being spoken. English words are being
Discuss.
discussed. Very good. No, ideas are being shared. What else is being done in Pakistan? The minds of the students are being locked.
Yes, sir.
They are not being unlocked. The students are not being trained, educated properly. A great majority of the students now is being deprived of their basic right of learning. Clear?
Yes.
Please, injustice is being done in the society. Injustice. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Please. What else is being done in Pakistan? Revision. Yesterday's lesson.
Yes.
I requested you the people now to look at different people. Now, for example, in the kitchen, if you are standing with the kitchen, you see your mother and she is doing some activity, and you will practice that. How? Food is being cooked, curry is being made, the egg is being boiled. Points clear?
Yes.
This was my request in the TV lounge. Oh, watch the people and let me know what is being done. You can say TV is being watched, cartoons are being watched,
Yes.
the talk shows are being watched. अब मैं क्या करूं? अब आपने प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया ना,
नहीं की।
तो फिर ये तो प्रॉब्लम है ना।
Yes, sir.
फिर अब ये यहाँ गलती नहीं, यहाँ में भी गलती है, इसका मतलब आपको 4G भी क्लियर नहीं है। एक आदमी इसे कहता है कि ये ब्लेड है,
Yes, sir.
तो वो कितनी गलतियां कर रहे हैं? دو کر رہے ہیں.
Yes, sir.
اسے یہ بھی نہیں پتا اور اسے بلیڈ کا بھی نہیں پتا. ایک آدمی سے کہتا ہے کہ یہ کتاب ہے, وہ کتنی غلطیاں کر رہے ہیں.
دو.
ایک اسے کتاب کا نہیں پتا,
جی.
ایک اسے مائک کا نہیں پتا. یہ کون ہے؟
عثمان.
ہاں تو سیا کو رفیع. اب کتنی غلطیاں ہو رہی ہیں؟
دو.
یعنی آپ رفیع کو بھی نہیں جانتے,
عثمان.
عثمان ہے. چلو آپ اسے رفیع نہ کہتے, چپ ہو جاتے ہیں, نہیں پتا بھائی, ڈونٹ نو. تو یہ بتاتا ہے یو آر میکنگ مسٹیک. اب یہاں پہ جب غلطی آپ کا, اس کا مطلب یہ بھی پرابلم ہے. دا پیشنٹ از ٹیکنگ میڈیسن. دا پیشنٹ از ٹیکنگ میڈیسن. مریض کیا کر رہا ہے؟
دوائی لے رہا ہے.
میڈیسن لے رہا ہے. جی کیا مطلب؟ دا میڈیسن از بینگ ٹیکن. میڈیسن لی جا رہی ہے, دوا لی جا رہی ہے. نہیں بات سمجھے جی؟ دا پیشنٹ از کنسلٹنگ دا ڈاکٹر. مریض کیا کر رہا ہے؟
کنسلٹ کر رہا ہے
کس سے؟ ڈاکٹر کو. یہ ہے نا
Yes, sir.
ہوں سے جملہ شروع ہو رہے
Yes,
ہیں.
sir.
اب ہوں سے شروع ہونا ہے, میں نے بتایا بھی تھا. یہ دیکھو کون کنسلٹ کیا جا رہا ہے؟ دا ڈاکٹر از بینگ کنسلٹیڈ.
Okay, sir.
ابھی یہ ہو گیا نا جی,
Yes, sir.
ڈاکٹر از بینگ کنسلٹیڈ. اچھا, دا ڈاکٹر از ایڈوائزنگ دا پیشنٹ. یہ کون سا ہے جی؟ ماڈیول 1 ہے, ماڈیول 2 ہے؟
Doctor is
از ایڈوائزنگ دا پیشنٹ.
module 1 ہے.
ماڈیول 1 ہے. ڈاکٹر مریض کو ایڈوائز کر رہے ہیں.
Yes, sir.
کیا مطلب ہوا؟ دا پیشنٹ دا پیشنٹ از بینگ ایڈوائزڈ. مریض کو ایڈوائز کیا جا رہا ہے.
Yes, sir.
ایسے ہے نا جی؟
Yes, sir.
اچھا, میں کہتا ہوں آئی ایم ٹیچنگ یو. کون سا ماڈیول ہے؟
Module 1.
1 جی. یو آر بینگ ٹاٹ. اب یہ کیا ہے؟
Module 2.
ہاں, آپ کو پڑھایا جا رہا ہے. یو آر بینگ ایڈوائز. آپ کو نصیحت کی جا رہی ہے. یو آر بینگ ٹرین. آپ کو ٹرین کیا جا رہا ہے. یو آر بینگ پریپیئرڈ. آپ کو تیار کیا جا رہا ہے. جی ون سیکنڈ, آپ کہتے ہو جی دا شاپ کیپر از سیلنگ ہز تھنگس.
Yes, sir.
دا شاپ
Module
کیپر.
1.
کلیئر. ذرا کنورٹ کریں ماڈیول 2 میں.
The shopkeeper is selling things.
سیلنگ ہز تھنگس.
The things is being sold.
دا تھنگس, اس سے نہیں کہنا بھائی.
اچھا, the things are
are being
being
sold.
sold.
The things are being sold. اچھا, اور آسان کر لیتے ہیں. The teacher is teaching the students.
The teacher is teaching the students. Students are being taught.
Or being. The students
Or
are being
being
taught. I'm watching movie. What does it mean?
Movie is being watched.
Is being.
Is being.
I'm watching movie, which means that movie is being watched.
Being.
Is being.
Is being.
Sir ji, میرے
Being even. Being.
سنا ہے تو کیا کیا
Being.
جی. The driver is driving a car.
Car is being driven.
The car is being driven.
Yes, sir.
The car is being driven. Points clear?
Yes, sir.
The mason is constructing a building.
A building is the building is being constructed.
Clear? Building بنائی جا رہی ہے جی. Points clear? I am explaining the lesson.
Lesson is being explained.
Is being explained.
دوبارہ نہیں, ان سے ذرا پریکٹس کروا رہے ہیں. I am explaining the lesson.
The lesson is being explained.
I am teaching the lesson.
The lesson is being taught. Being sir.
انسان عجیب ہے نا. اس دفعہ پھسل بنے سر. See, the lesson is being explained, the lesson is being taught.
The lesson is being.
The lesson is being understood.
The lesson is being understood. You are memorizing the lesson.
The lesson is
Being memorized.
The lesson is being memorized.
being. I think problem in being sir. Not the sentence.
اچھا ان اڑا کے پر اثر دے والے.
سر اس کو
Being. Actually, I speak sir this world.
Okay, being.
Being.
Clear بات ہے.
Yes.
Being.
Being.
Write, writing. Reading.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Being. جی میں آگے چلوں چلتا ہوں اللہ کا مشکل.
Mistakes are being corrected.
Please, this is now that you came from your home, you reached Sela, on the way to Sela, on your way to Sela, did you see someone on your way?
Yes, sir.
Who did you see?
A car.
Not what? Who did you see? You saw a driver. You saw a driver in the car. You saw a driver in the car. Clear?
Yes.
What was he doing?
He was driving.
He was driving the car.
Yes, sir.
Module 1.
Yes, sir.
What was being done?
The car is being.
Was being driven.
What was being done?
The car
Was being driven.
Driven.
He was driving the car. The car was being driven.
Being done.
Who did you see on the way to Sela?
I saw children.
You saw a children, is it correct?
No, sir. I saw children's.
Why children's again, some other mistake?
children.
I saw children, sir. Children. I saw children.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Well done. Well done. You saw
Children. Yes.
Where were they?
They was playing in.
Where were they?
They were in ground.
Who did he see? Who did he see? He saw children.
Saw children.
Where were they?
They were in ground.
They were in the ground.
Yes.
He saw some children in the ground.
Yes, sir.
What were they doing?
They were playing, sir.
They were playing what?
Cricket, sir.
They were playing cricket.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Who did he see?
Children.
Complete answer.
He saw children.
He saw
He saw children.
some children.
In the
No.
ground.
Where were? He saw some children in the ground.
Ground.
Very good. What were they doing?
They were play cricket.
They were playing cricket. He saw some children in the playground and they were
playing cricket.
some children were playing cricket in the ground.
Yes, sir.
Clear? My next question. What was being done in the ground?
And the cricket is being done.
Cricket
Was being done.
Cricket
Was
being
done.
The cricket was being played.
The cricket was being played. Was being played.
cricket were being played.
ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਥੋੜੀ ਹੋਰ ਅਗਰ ਜਵਾਬ ਨਾ ਦੇਵਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਚੁੱਪ ਰਵਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਵਰ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵਿਲ ਲੈਣਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕ੍ਰਿਕਟ ਬਣਾ ਦੇਣਾ ਹੈ.
The cricket was being played.
Only one mistake is there. There's no da is wrong. Hockey was being played.
Yes,
Cricket was being played.
Yes.
Volleyball was being played. Cricket खेली जा रही थी.
Okay.
During the game, what was being done? Runs were being made.
Yes.
Please.
The ball is being catch.
The ball was being caught.
Caught,
The
right.
ball was being thrown.
Thrown, yes, sir.
Okay, what else was being done?
Catch was being dropped.
Very good. The catches were being dropped. Catches छोड़े जा रहे थे. जी.
Catches were being struck.
Very good. What was being done? Sixes were being struck. Fours were being struck. Runs were being scored or made. Wickets were being taken.
Yes.
Stumps were being broken. Stumps तोड़े जा रहे थे. Wickets लिए जा रहे थे.
Fielding is being missed.
Fielding was being missed. The ball was being missed.
Yes.
Clear? The ball was being stopped.
Yes.
Ball रोकी जा रही
Ball
थी.
was being thrown.
Very good. The ball was being thrown. Ball फेंकी जा रही थी. And the ball was being caught. Ball पकड़ी जा रही थी.
Yes.
ऐसे ही.
Yes.
In the TV lounge, what was being done? TV was being watched. Gee, what else? The channels were being changed. The remote was being operated. What else? What else? What else? What else was being done? Talk shows were being watched.
Yes.
Clear? Please.
Commercial were being
Very good. Seen, watched. Ji. The situation in the country was being discussed. True. The situation, no, the pathetic situation, no,
Yes.
of the country was being discussed. Ji. You reached Sela.
Yes.
You were there at the main door, main entrance. When you reached,
Yes.
who did you see?
I saw some boys.
Very good. You saw some boy, no?
Yes, sir.
What were they doing?
He was playing cricket.
Some
They
boy?
was playing cricket.
No.
They were playing cricket.
They were playing cricket.
They were playing cricket.
Yes.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yesterday when you left Sela, you went back home. No, who did you see in your house?
I saw my mother.
Sure.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Where was she?
She was in kitchen.
In the kitchen. What was being done in the kitchen? Try to understand my question. What was being done in the kitchen that time?
Food was being cooked.
Very good. Food was being cooked, no, in the kitchen
Yes, sir.
when you saw your mother over there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please. Please add more piece of information, please. Food was being cooked.
The crockery was being washed.
The crockery was being washed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please. You can add.
The crockery was being
Arranged. Very. The crockery was being arranged. The crockery was being kept on the shelf. Give.
Food was being
Tasted. Very good. Food was being tasted. Very good. Please.
The light was being on.
Switched on.
Switched on.
क्या मतलब आपने उस वक्त लाइट ऑन की उससे पहले बंद थी जब आप गया मैं देखा उस वक्त अम्मी ऐसे प्रेस कर रही थी
Yes.
इसका मतलब तो ये हुआ जी हाँ नहीं मैं वो बता देती हूँ क्लियर करना है ना जब हम कहते हैं ना द लाइट वाज बीइंग ऑन स्विच्ड ऑन इसका मतलब ये उस वक्त अम्मी स्विच बोर्ड के सामने खड़ी थी और वो ऐसे प्रेस कर रही थी फिर तो ठीक
the
है
tea was being taken.
टी वाज बीइंग टेकन बिल्कुल ठीक है टी वाज बीइंग टेकन नो ठीक
My
है
nephew was.
अच्छा nephew
Yes, sir.
अच्छा when you saw your nephew no
Yes.
Now, at that time, what was being done over there in the area he was in?
Cricket.
Cricket was being played, bat was being held, sixes were being struck. No, the ball was being thrown. शुरू हो जाओ सारा जी वो गल कोई ढंग दी नाल नहीं गल तक नहीं होनी जी. No, the exercise was being taken. ऐसे है ना जी.
Yes, a letter was being written.
अच्छा ਉੱਥੇ ਜਿਸ ਖੇਡਦਾ ਪਿਆ ਉਸ ਲੈ.
नहीं no सर मैं अपना स्टैम्प.
अच्छा ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਨਵੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਨਵਾਂ ਛਤਰ ਛੋੜੋ. अब बस 3 मिनट और है. हाँ जी प्लीज let me know.
Yes.
Did you visit market
Yes, sir.
when?
Yes. Yesterday.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday you visited market.
Yes, sir.
You gentleman
Yes, in the afternoon.
in the no yesterday or
Yesterday.
you visited the market yesterday.
Yes.
In the afternoon. No.
Yes.
You gentleman. You didn't visit market.
No. Yes.
जिंदगी च गए नहीं market. ਜਦੋਂ ਗਏ ਦੱਸੋ market में visit किए तो गए कल शाम में ये गए दोपहर ਨੂੰ
Friday last.
जुमे ਨੂੰ.
Yes.
You visited the market on Friday.
Yes.
ਦੇਖੋ ਨਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਕਿਤਨਾ ਅਜੇ ਤੱਕ ਕਮਿਊਨੀਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਗੈਪ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੀ ਗੱਲ ਸਮਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਦੇਖੋ ਨਾ ਹਾਲੇ ਕਿਤੇ ਸੇ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਗਏ ਹੋ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਕਰਨੇ इन्हें कहना नहीं गैप इस गैप को खत्म करें अच्छा ये पूछा करें जवाब देने से पहले खुदा रहा नहीं तो ये कैसे उस्मान रफी दा मोहसिन शाहनवाज की और बैग बना पे You visited market no on last Friday.
Yes.
You visited market no last night. You visited the market no yesterday in the afternoon.
Yes.
Yesterday you're talking about. When you visited the market, when you reached there, what was being done over there in the market? Question is clear? What was being done in the market when you went there, when you reached there? Points clear?
Yes,
please.
The things was being purchased.
He is was.
Oh, sorry, sir. The things was being purchased.
What?
The things was being purchased.
Things were
Things were being
the mechanics were being
Things were being purchased, the things were being bought, the things were being weighed, چیزوں کا وزن کیا جا رہا تھا.
Yes, sir.
The things were being counted, چیزوں کو گنا جا رہا تھا. انڈے لیس ہو تو گن کے لیس ہو, اور شوگر لیس ہو تو تول کے نا.
yes,
Things were being
washed.
washed, دھوئی بھی جا رہی ہے. ٹھیک ہے, تسی دس. The mechanics were checking television. Mechanics ٹی وی چیک کر رہے. یہ تو ماڈیول 1 ہے.
TV was being checked.
the TV was being checked.
اب میں نے آپ سے کہا کہ جملے کو وٹ سے شروع کرنا ہے.
Okay, sir.
ٹی وی واز بینگ چیکڈ, ٹی وی واز بینگ ریپیئرڈ. ابھی یونائٹڈ موبائل پہ پہنچا تو میں نے دیکھا موبائلز ور بینگ پرچیز, موبائلز ور بینگ سولڈ, موبائل خریدے جا رہے تھے, موبائلز بیچے جا رہے تھے. جی,
The things were being checked.
چیزیں چیک کی جا رہی تھی.
Yes.
دا کوالٹی واز بینگ چیکڈ, دا کوالٹی واز بینگ کیا کہتے ہیں ڈسکسڈ.
Yes.
کوالٹی واز بینگ ڈسکسڈ, کوالٹی ڈسکس کی جا رہی تھی.
Market was being visited.
ویری گڈ, مارکیٹ وزٹ کی جا رہی تھی.
Vegetable were being bought.
bought, vegetables were being bought. جی, fruit was being bought. جی, fruit was being bought from the fruit shop. Vegetables were being bought from the vegetable shop, grocery.
Yes.
ٹھیک ہے جی. Medicine was being purchased from the medical store or from the pharmacy.
The things
Shoes were being purchased from the shoe mart.
Yes.
جی,
the things were being bought.
the things were being bought. یہی آپ کا سبق ہے. یہ دونوں آپ کر کے لائیں گے آگے, تب بڑھو گے.
ٹھیک ہے.
کہ what is being done, what was being done.